Hello guys, today I've got the AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium watch and I'm going to show you how to set up your watch after the unboxing. At first you need to download the application called ZEP. If you have done so, here you need to create an account for this. So tap sign up. You can, as you can see here, enter your email address, enter your password, or here verification code. You need to enter this. Apart from that, you need to select your region. If you want to make it faster, tap login and select here sign up with the third-party account. I log in here with Google. Now, meantime, we can click anything on our watch to turn it on. Here, English, select your own language, not English. Select your own language and tap the stick icon here. As you can see here, we have our QR code. Tap device, tap watch, and now as you can see here, we have our QR code scanner. Navigate it to our QR code over here, and it's loud, but it works. Here, tap allow, and now here we have our device being connected to our phone. Here, tap next, and now turn on Bluetooth calls. Your device can make and receive Bluetooth calls only if you allow ZEP to access your phone and call manager permissions. You can tap enable here. Allow, allow, allow. Here they have enable calling all contacts. You can tap enable, allow. Enable SMS sending using voice commands. Enable calendar sync enable. If you don't want to enable that, you just hit here, tap skip. Enable, allow. Here's the activity goals. You can tap next, next, and done. And actually here, that's it. As you can see on the watch, we can see 2D text size that's right for you. Here, as you can see, it's done. Goodbye.